Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah
I know that our journey will not always be beautiful. I understand that there will be sadness, tears, or even anger between us sometimes. But I always believe that you're the one for me because you're also the reason of my happiness. The one who never promised but never let go. The one who never give me hope but always stay no matter what. I will always put us on my best hope. Lay my life to be guided by you with all the faith. Wait you to hold my hand again when you let go for a while. So for you, the one that I always call on my dear God ear, promise me that we will always like this. Encourage each other in difficult time, accepting each other weakness, grateful in every hard way, and stand still in the name of love.
I think I want you more than want. I know I need you more than need. I wanna hold you more than hold. When you stood in front of me, I think you know me more than know. And you see me more than see. I could die now more than die. Every time you look at me. Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I
Adinda bagus seperti itu yang bodoh. Saya nikahkan dan kawinkan engkau dengan adik saya, Farida Suryaning Dewi Durgandini, dengan mas kawin uang sebesar Rp1.132.017 tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Farida Suryaning Dewi Durgandini binti Joko Subandrio Aji dengan mas kawin tersebut tunai.
There and all is your date for the prom. I'm blessed as a man to have seen you in white, but I've never seen anything quite like you tonight. No, no, I've never seen anything quite like you tonight. Oh, no, no, I've never seen anything quite like you tonight. In your eyes, oh, in your eyes, in our hearts, yeah, in our hearts. Sometimes words just ain't enough for this love that's more than love. Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all is your date for the prom. I'm blessed as a man to have seen